Understanding the impact. Lies destroy trust. Hello, and welcome to our English language learning channel. Today, we're diving into a very important phrase that carries a lot of weight in both personal and professional relationships. Lies destroy trust. Understanding this phrase will not only help you improve your English but also give you insight into the values of honesty and trust in communication. Let's start by breaking down the phrase, lies destroy trust. At its core, this sentence consists of two main concepts, lies and trust. A lie is an intentionally false statement, while trust is the belief in the reliability, truth, or ability of someone or something. When put together in this phrase, it suggests that lying leads to the breakdown of trust. Trust is the foundation of all relationships, whether they are personal, such as friendships and family, or professional, like those between coworkers or business partners. Trust allows people to feel safe, secure, and confident in each other. It's what makes people feel comfortable sharing their thoughts, feelings, and vulnerabilities without fear of judgment or betrayal. When someone lies, it creates a crack in the foundation of trust. This section explores how even a small lie can lead to doubt and suspicion, which can grow and eventually destroy the trust that was once there. We'll discuss examples of how lies, no matter how small or seemingly insignificant, can erode trust over time and the impact this can have on relationships. Rebuilding trust after it has been destroyed by lies is a challenging and often lengthy process. It requires consistent honesty, transparency, and effort from the person who lied. In this section, we'll talk about the steps that can be taken to rebuild trust and the importance of forgiveness and understanding in this process. Thank you for joining us to explore the meaning and implications of the phrase, lies destroy trust. We hope this video has provided you with a deeper understanding of why honesty is so crucial in all aspects of life and how lies can have a lasting impact on relationships. Remember, maintaining trust is key to healthy and strong relationships. We look forward to seeing you in our next video.